Skies set the mood and connotation of many of your 3D scenes. Many times, they will also be the main light source and the background of your render. This means that this light source will define most aspects of your project. So, choosing a good quality HDRI is an important step in determining the final render output. This is why we decided to carefully create our own Sky HDRI pack, to give you a wide variety of lighting options while ensuring quality, consistency, efficiency, and ease of use. We retouched each of them to remove all possible artifacts, and we calibrated them to represent realistic lighting conditions. They are included as HDR files, but also as Blender asset ready. Once loaded, you will find a categorized library that is ready to drag and drop for a smooth lighting workflow. Moreover, these assets include a series of handy parameters to easily adjust things like rotation, the horizon line, or their overall visual appearance. It's worth mentioning that you can use them in Eevee, as it is now supported since Blender 4.2. Or if you are a multi-software user, you can simply use the HDR files provided in any of your preferred 3D tools. So, if you're looking to elevate your 3D projects with versatile Sky HDRIs that will make your renders shine, this pack is designed with creators like you in mind.